Hi guys, for today's DIY I'll be making my version of this pendant lamp and I'll be using mostly Dollar Tree items. But before we get started, if you're watching from Facebook and you'd love to give me a thumbs up, please click the three dots on the top right corner of your mobile device and then select open in YouTube. And from there you can give me a thumbs up, or you can subscribe, or you can leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you guys. I'll be using 6 globes and I'm going to be spray painting them with this frosted glass spray paint. And before I spray paint them, I'm just going to wipe them off with my glass cleaner fabric. And you want to be very patient and give it light coats. The color will change over time, so you'll have to give it about 2 or 3 coats. And it will get frosty while it dries. And then I'm going to use this chrome spray paint on a piece of my chopping mat. And I also spray painted a piece of poster board. I'll then cut 2 strips of my bling wrap, and I'm going to use this to go around the center. And I'm just going to measure it on the poster board and cut out the piece. And real quick, I just want to show you this next project that I have coming up. I may post it on Saturday or Sunday. So you want to turn your bell notifications on so you'll get notified when I do post it. So I'm just going to put the covers back on to the globe. And I'm going to go around the center of the globe with my poster board. And I'm just going to use hot glue to do that. And then for the lid, I'm going to use my chopping mat since it's 3rd year. And we will be opening the cover to take the bulbs out. So I just cut a big enough piece to cover that gap between the lid and the globe, so it could look almost seamless. And then I cut 6 rows of the bling wrap and I glued it on. And while you're watching, I'll really appreciate a thumbs up. It will help to grow my channel so I can produce even more tutorials weekly. And if you're new here and you would like to see my weekly tutorials, please subscribe and select the post notifications so you will be notified the moment I upload a new video. So I'll be reusing this foam wreath. I used Mod Podge to apply crushed glass when I was using it first. And then I also had those 6 holes in it, so I'll be reusing the same holes. I'm going to be using clothesline. I have leftover clothesline from my last project. And I'm going to cut my first piece at 13 inches. And then every other piece that I cut, I'll just cut it 3 inches longer. And I'm just sealing up the edges with my hot glue so they won't unravel. So I'm just going to mix my black and white paint so I can get gray, and I'll add a little hot water so I can saturate the rope. I left them to soak for 10 minutes and then I took them out the water and leave them to dry. I'm just using my blow dryer to go over the edges since they weren't totally dry. And to make the holes in the foam wreath, I use my soldering iron. So I'll just use a piece of my bamboo skewer and just push each rope through the hole. And I have this little piece of PVC, it's a 1-inch PVC. I'll just use it to hide my bumps when I'm done. But before I do that, I'm going to measure my rope at the top to make sure that each one of them are equal so they'll be level when I tie them together. And then I use my hot glue to hold the ropes in place. Then I just use a piece of my wire. You can use any wire. I have a piece of aluminum wire. I'm just going to tie them in the center, and then I adjust them if I need to. So for the lids, I'm just going to use my soldering iron and poke a hole inside, big enough to fit my rope. And you want to do this outside and wear a mask if possible. Then I'll string the rope through the hole and cut the little tip off, that little tip that I put the hot glue. I'm going to cut that off so it can sit flush right at the edge. And then I'm just going to put hot glue all over it, and I'm going to use my LED push lights, the ones that comes with the remote, and I'm going to take the back off of it and put it directly in the center, and I'll push it down on top of that rope until it dries. And you want to make sure that it's in the center because you have to put your lid back onto your globe, and then that way it will be easy for you to change your bulbs whenever you need to. So to hang the lamp, I'm just going to use a chain, and I'm just going to set it in the middle of the rope and use my hot glue to squeeze it tight together so it can hold. And then I will cover that up with my PVC. And to hook it to the ceiling, you can use this ceiling hook. So each one of my bulbs take 3 batteries, and it's better to get this light with the remote. It's easy access. I bought these on Amazon, and I'll have a link below where you can purchase this one if you'd like. And here's the final look, guys. Now remember to subscribe and turn your bell notifications on so you can get notified of when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Click on the screen to continue watching more of my videos.